Hello everyone, this is Zubair Haq with you. Today we are going to learn how to make an admin theme by using the UI Vuetify and the framework obviously Vue.js. I believe that most of the people here know what is the Vue.js and the basic of Vue.js, and this is why they're here to learn Vuetify and other stuff that we are going to teach here. So if you don't know about Vue.js, please have a look on Vue.js how to learn that. There is a tons of tutorial out there in YouTube as well. So I'm not going to cover that much of how to learn Vue.js or Vuetify. I'm just going to make the theme I believe that you have already used, but I'm going to go with few basics like how to set up those stuff. So this is going to be very simple. Most of the things are Vuetify already made there. I'm just going to arrange that thing for you so that you can have a look at how should it look like. Okay, and let's start with that. So today is the first video. Then as the first video, we're going to learn that how to set up Vue.js with Vuetify. Okay, let's go there. So first of all, that you need, this is our UI framework, which is made with Material Design by Google, and this is the main reason we are using. And you can see that why Vuetify. There is a lot of reasons to use Vuetify, and yeah, probably if you go with that, you will understand. How to start it? For starting that, first of all, you need something called Node.js, which we already know that. You can download for your machine and install that. I have Mac, I have already installed there, so I'm not going to go with that again. And after that you have that, we're going for installing Vue.js. Actually, not Vue.js, the Vue.js CLI. So if you go to Vue.js, you can go see that get started. Then the installation comes here. But if you go a little down, you'll see that there is something called Vue CLI. So it is here somewhere. Let me check again for you. Okay, it's not there. Installation. Yeah, official CLI. So it is actually this link, cli.vuejs.org. So we are going to go with the installation here, and it's very basic. You just have to say that if you have already installed the Node.js, then you just have to write that npm install vuecli. So if you just turn on your terminal, you'll see that you can do that, and it will install for you. Okay. The next thing is that you can check your Vue.js. Oh, we don't need that one actually. So after that, the thing that we have to do, we have to make the project for us. Okay, and how to make that? We'll go to Vuetify. We'll learn that can we make this with Vue.js or directly with Vuetify or not. Yeah, there is an option, but let's start get it. So here, let's go with directly with the installation and the stuff. So getting started, quick start. So it says that first make a Vue create my app. This will create our project. Okay, and so let's see this. I guess it's installed. Actually, we don't need that one. I already have that. So let's go with another terminal. Terminal about new basic. Okay, we can go. Okay, as it's installing, I have to wait for a minute. Oh, let's go. So there's the command line for this is the command that we have to get for making the app. So we are going to make the Vue app like Vue create. We can say Vuetify admin theme. Yeah, you can see that. I have to wait a little minute because it's installing from the beginning. So if I do it now, it's not going to work. I think so. So I'm not going to try now. And after that, what we have to go, we have to enter to the same directory, and then we have to say that Vue add Vuetify. If we run that code, that particular project that we're going to create, that will add Vuetify theme instantly by itself. You don't have to do anything there. Okay, there is no work other than that. When you do it, it will be instant there. So kind of like, yeah, whatever it is, it's there. So we have here Vuetify theme. Let's create it. Okay, they're saying the no capital letter. Okay, no worries. We'll make it like Vuetify admin theme. Okay, let's see. It'll take a couple of minutes, inshallah. And it's saying that do we need default? Yeah, of course we need default. After that, what? Let's see. So okay, here it goes. It installed perfectly. Now we're going to enter the folder, and instead of starting that, we'll just add first Vuetify. So we just created our Vue project. Now we're adding Vuetify in there. Let's wait a few minutes. Okay, it's asking a few things that what do you want. We will say always default. Okay, as we have installed right now, we'll run that command npm run serve. So when you run npm, see you are right now inside your folder. So that moment you have to say that npm run serve. So if you go with that, okay, you see that we just serve that one. So this is our local and this is our network, this thing. So it's basically it's always like that. Localhost, the port is 8080. So if you go turn on your browser and you go with localhost, like localhost 8080, then you'll see that it's there. See, welcome to Vuetify. Let's have a look at what we have done right now. First, we have installed Node.js, then we have installed Vue CLI so that we can grab our project. There is a lot of way to have Vue in your project, but we are going to use Vue CLI so that we can have the full package with that. So after installing Vue CLI, we created the project by saying Vue create my project. After that, we enter to the project folder. Then we says that run npm run serve so that we can see those in our local server as well. And then we added by saying Vue add Vuetify. This just install Vuetify in our Vue project, and obviously you can see that in our localhost link. Okay, so that's for today. Let's see you tomorrow, inshallah.